Hello guys, today I had to do I had to redo the video, technically. So I had to redo the other video because I can't had to draw an outline for this. But I am doing a face reveal in 3 years. 3 years. And I already technically have done a face reveal if you scroll down on my videos. And if you scroll down before up the golf shorts. And then I'm doing another face reveal in 3 years because obviously, yeah. And in 3 years I'm also getting a dog. So I'm thinking of drawing a dog paw with loads of different things. I should have started this video now now getting the piece of paper, but this is the piece of paper. I'm gonna start drawing it now. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I've drawn it. This is my dog pot, and I'm thinking of putting loads of different names in it. Maybe I'll rename it Teddy. I used to have a dog named Teddy, so I'll put a name of Teddy. And maybe Bo. I'm just eating my pizza. Barbecue pizza. I'm just gonna take the pepperoni or salami. Okay, now we're gonna do I don't know, maybe in here I'll do just Ted. Oh, another one. Oh, that's a bit not neat. Storm. Maggie. Poppy. I'm putting it on top of another sheet of paper because I don't want to get a hole in it like I kind of did on Storm. Yeah, also, maybe. Oh, I've got a good one. What about Angel? Angel. Oh, Stitch. I love Stitch. I'm going to write it here. And maybe I can name him her my home. I think of dog names. Dog names. By the way, I might cut short in the middle of the video because I've got not storage. So by the way, just letting you know. So maybe, but at least you got to watch this far. I'm thinking of other dog names. Oh, what about? What about pizza? Pizza. Pizza. Oh, I know. I'm naming it after this dude, this doggy. Well, I got 2 new dog names. One that I used to know. So Dottie. What was the other one again? Oh yeah. Darcy, and Toby. I've nearly filled it up. Also, if you're going to be getting a dog, you can name it one of these if you want. If you like any of these. By the way, that's not a purr, that's a D for Dotty. It kind of looks like a purr, but it's a D. Oh, it gives me an idea. What about Spotty? Oh, I missed my old dog's name. What about we'll name it again? I used to have a dog named Holly. What was the other one? Oh, Jess. That's what its name. Its name was Jess. I don't care if it's my enemy's friend's nickname called Jessica. It was my favourite dog that died. Also, my other favourite dog that died. Both my granddads. Well, this one was mine and my granddad. And my mum's and my dad's. This one was mine. Well, my granddad's. But I love dogs. What's that one's name? Fluffy! Fluffy, Fluffy, Fluffy. No. Fluffy. I'm so scared to go swimming tomorrow at school because, like, we do swimming in PE and it's scary but fun. Well, now that I've been a few times, I'm not really scared, but it's fun. What else could I name it? What about my best friend's name? Well, you've probably seen about this girl's name. It's like one of my favourite dolls. She's like one of my favourite realistic dolls. She's so cute. And her hair feels so real. And I put it up sometimes, but it's just, she said her head was hurting. So I'm going to keep it like that. Don't mimic me, it's just a doll, it's a cute doll. It's a cute doll, I get it for Christmas. And that's name is Annabelle. Annabelle. What about I hope you're watching this, best friend, but I'm gonna add Betsy. I don't want to show this on camera, really, so I'm going to do it at the end of the video. Well, it's a cute name. I want to name it the B word. But obviously I can't write it on camera, so I can't right now. What about glam? Glam. Where should I put it? Oh, I'll put it up here. Glam. I'm gonna do a face reveal of my shadow. I don't know if it will shine my face. That's the fig. Pig. Do you see my face right here? My head's right here. You see my head? See my head? It's right there.